Hi guys, it's Colette, and today as part of Water Marble March we're going to be working on this green water marble for St. Patrick's Day. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that we're going to be using today are all from Zoya. The darkest green is Wyatt. Then we have Holly, and the lightest color is Lacey. I'll be using Lacey as my base color, and then I'll be protecting her on my nails using liquid latex and tape. As usual, for a water marble, we're working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once my bullseye is built, I'm going to go from the middle out in 2 directions, and I'm going to draw in some chevrons, which will help to add kind of additional interest to the petals that I'm going to be drawing in after this. So just from one side to the other, back and forth, across the entire cup, like that. Then I'm just going to start drawing in some petals, like it was a regular bullseye, but just on top of the chevrons. Once I've finished drawing in the petals, I'm going to go ahead and dip 2 nails. Make sure there's no bubbles or goobers that you can see. Then I'm just going to line up 1 on either side of the design. Then go ahead and dip in. With my orange stick, I'm going to reach in and clean up that excess polish so that it doesn't stick on top of my design. And once the surface is clean, go ahead and slowly pull out. Pulling out slowly helps with bubbles. It doesn't fully prevent them. And there you can see our little green petals. Next, of course, is to remove the protection. I like to use a tweezer just to get a really good grip on there. Then go ahead and peel it off. Oops. Latex may or may not come off with the tape. And once I've finished all my nails, I'll go ahead and complete cleanup with a small brush dipped in acetone. Once you've finished cleanup, you can finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. I actually wasn't sure if I was going to do a St. Patrick's Day water marble this year, but when I started upstream today, the consensus in chat was that we should definitely be doing something green. So this will actually be slightly out of order. The blue and silver water marble that will be coming up later this week on YouTube was actually done first, but I'm glad that they convinced me to do something green because this turned out pretty cool. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.